Apple's having an event. There was a lot of talk on Twitter about some upcoming event. A lot of speculation. They might have an event today, and then it was, no, people found the emoji for a hashtag Apple event, and it was a little temporary limited edition emoji. And then people said Tim Cook dunked on those guys. They said he dunked on leaker types.
Dunked.
Yeah, it's a slang. Well, yeah, the youngsters get dunked on when somebody else wins or defeats you. I don't know. Anyway, all we found out is that there's an event coming up, and the event's going to be on the 15th. There was a press release about an event on the 15th, or I don't even know. It's a bunch of people sharing their invites, digital kind of invites. Now, the title of the thing was Time Flies on the invite. September 15th, don't hold your breath for a new iPhone. Because of the way they positioned it, time flies, indicating, again, which has been rumored, by the way, a new Apple Watch and possibly a new iPad. Please join us for a special Apple event from Apple Park. Watch it online, apple.com, September 15th, 10 a.m. So, as we've been talking about on this show for a while, there's been a lot of talk about a delayed iPhone, right? Pushing potentially into October. And a lot of it to do with the pre-existing conditions, pandemic, all that stuff going on, limiting supplies and all the rest of it. So a delay on the iPhone, but Apple still wants to have an event rather than hold everything, I guess, and save everything for some all-in-one event. They say, all right, the watch, I guess, is ready to go, and maybe we have some iPad news. We'll do that in September. So we still have something in September and maybe delay the rest of it. At least that's the way it seems to me right now. Maybe to give you a little iPhone teaser at the end. I don't really know. But for now, this is what we have to go on. And this would seem to point in the direction of this, not only, by the way, the delay of the iPhone 12, but also the rumored staggered launch of the iPhone 12, that you would only have certain models available first. So we have to wait and see. But Apple always gives you that Easter egg with the name of the event. And if they're going to call it Time Fly, it's going to be about the watch. Now, the new watch, there's some rumors about that. It's going to be capable. It's going to be doing blood oxygen and stuff.
Well,
I know you're very excited about that. I can tell you're very excited about that. And new iPads, I don't know what they're going to do in iPads specifically. Is it time for more pro talk, for more budget talk? What are we going to do in iPads? Well,
maybe just a spec bump.
A little spec bump in there. Apple is working on the Apple Watch Series 6, expected to feature blood oxygen monitoring as a major new addition. Also been multiple rumors of a 10.8 to 11-inch iPad model, edge-to-edge display, and Touch ID either built into the power button or in the display. It could be an iPad Air. All right, there you go. Some other stuff, possibly AirPods Studio. We heard the rumors about AirTags, possibly a smaller HomePod. We have to wait to see, but obviously the watch is going to be the core of the event, and we're going to have to wait for iPhones.